Howdy folks, welcome back to WanderEats. Today more of an impromptu recording and sharing, more like a vlog I would say, is because I'm meeting up with Darren, Wincy and Richart for brunch here in Sunway Velocity. As you can see, Sunway Velocity is right behind me. So yeah, this is more of a documentation I guess for myself, so I can watch it back much later in life I guess. And yeah, it's been a while since I met all of them together, so it's pretty cool. Event actually is to celebrate my birthday as well, so it's definitely last month, but we had not had a chance to meet up, so here we are today. So without further ado, I'm just gonna cross that bridge over there and head to Haidilao. That's where we're meeting for brunch. So we're finally here. Richard, oh my god. Okay, so this is Wincy's debut in WanderEats, if it's ever going to go live. So yeah, not much people here yet. So we're very early, of course. I think what time is it now? 11, 20, 30? Yeah.
Get the shrimp paste also.
Sliced fish, brown sugar lava.
Winter melon.
Oh yeah, this is the one. No, this is the one that they're gonna count. No, this is the one that they're gonna show you how to do the noodles and stuff.
Also the land is clean. Interesting.
I mean, like
You can ask without one. You can tell them the one that answer.
yeah.
You can get it on video then.
This one, right?
Yeah.
Kung Fu noodle, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Since Darren is sitting right there.
Now I'm thinking more for YouTube content than I am for me.
I haven't seen this burger in a long
I'm
time.
going to feed the cucumber to him. You all want to see live? Me feeding cucumber to him?
I want him to take a long ass lens.
Sliced.
Oh yeah. Okay, the pot is here.
Which is this?
So that should be the collagen one.
Yeah, the milky one.
This is the Sichuan sour version.
Curled eggs and then there's mixed vegetables.
Gorgeous. Wow, so you get to choose all these as well.
So it's like,
Okay,
it's good to drink all the sauce and not order the main course.
no. Be careful of burn
Right.
chestnut. Okay.
Yeah.
So some of the
Oh, that's that kimchi.
yeah. So you follow the set ingredients.
Yeah.
Coriander, spring onion. Okay. Minced celery. Okay, can't find any. Oh, there you go. Okay, this one. And then crispy peas. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna skip that.
So by the way,
minced,
it's $8 per person.
yeah, it is. But it's unlimited, right?
Yeah. Yeah, you can
Last
eat
time they
this.
used to serve like a noodle here.
Yeah.
Okay, never mind. Then crushed peanuts. Okay.
Yeah.
Skip ahead. Spiced beef. What the heck is that?
Where's the spiced beef?
I don't know.
Shallots. Where in the world is the spiced beef?
I don't see any.
Spiced
So-
chili, pickle. No lah, no spiced beef lah.
Okay, so Thai chili. Also, I don't see any.
Yeah. What's the other bowl?
This is the ice jelly dessert.
Oh, okay.
Chili powder, chicken stock. Okay. Chili sauce. Okay, I'm just gonna
It's
soybean and soup
It's
base.
gonna take half an hour to make this choice.
Yeah. Exactly. Alright. And then
Take more, it's $8.
yeah, I mean I can come back again, what? Okay, then
And then you can take kimchi for me.
okay. Okay lah. Soy sauce.
Wow, that's a lot. Very salty guy.
No lah, there's so much. It's a sauce after all. Okay, then oyster sauce, Sichuan. No, this is black bean sauce. Okay, my girl's favorite. Soybean sauce.
Oops. People want to stand there. Yeah. Can I take more orange? Squeeze some orange on the sauce.
Okay.
Okay, this formula. Nah, here.
Alright.
Yeah, his stuff.
Here is a British guy picking his sauces.
I'm not good at this.
Yeah, but you can follow the instruction here if you like. If not, then you just pick what you like.
Didn't even see
Yeah,
that.
this is their dipping Haidilao. These are spices.
Spicy ones.
Yeah, so you add that. First round of dishes here. Okay, that should be the base, right?
paste, yeah.
Prawn paste, yeah.
That's all the meat.
Veg.
I'm the carnivore. That's the herbivore.
Wincy is back with her concoction.
Wow.
My God, that looks like a mountain. What?
Ice kacang, ice kacang.
Yeah.
That's ice kacang.
Okay, good luck deconstructing that.
I like to mix everything.
Why are you filming me? You filming me.
No lah.
Someone needs to take lead and do all the because I have no idea what
Filming
we're
me, I'll
doing.
be eating.
It's okay.
You should put in that neck.
Oh.
Fine.
I thought the leg is for the meat.
No.
Net
Can
is
also lah. For the
Usually it's for meat, right?
Oh, you put the
That
meat
is
in
for
there.
the
Yeah.
small
technically this meat is already cooked, so you take it out fast.
We've just been trying the soups and the super nice.
Yeah.
This is super sour.
Yeah, that's
And this is nice.
Yeah, this is very creamy.
Yeah, very creamy.
Yeah. This is nice.
Yeah, very good. That one,
This one,
this one, how to
you
do?
need to.
Yeah, let her do that.
That one just dip very fast.
Yeah, this one you just dip like that. Then you can do
Okay, okay.
The eggs can take out already. The egg can eat.
Yeah, haha. Yeah. In the cut, I think. Oh no. Ah, yes, sure, yeah.
Easier to find.
Oh, that was fast.
Yeah.
Alright, lovely.
That's how the mama bird feed the baby bird.
Brown place need to cook 3 minutes.
3 minutes. Okay, thank you.
1, 2, 3,
Thank you.
4, 5, 6,
You can
7,
try
8, 9,
mine.
10.
Well done. Want to do this?
You take the whole thing, yeah.
Okay, which one you want?
This one. No. Yeah, we'll start with this one. Indecisive.
Yeah, you can dip half first. There you go.
I've never had this before. So.
Yeah, look at that. Chef Wincy.
Yeah. Just good at doing this stuff. I just eat.
Yeah.
Okay, you bite half and then another half you.
Yeah.
Okay.
Lovely.
Good boy.
But there's something dark inside. What is that?
Seaweed.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, it's something different. This one
Yeah.
is like not the normal.
The normal one is just a round
Yeah,
thing.
the normal one is round. This one is like seaweed.
Oh, careful, huh? Look at the chili.
It's not
wow.
cooked yet.
Not cooked yet.
Yeah, this one. Yeah.
I told you to be careful. I told you to be careful. It's super spicy.
It's not.
Because it's Thai versus chili.
Yeah.
Look at Darren moving around.
My head's going to be on fire.
Like?
Hey, thanks.
My pricing.
Thanks.
Yeah, very
Thanks,
shy.
I'll take out here.
Oh, it really becomes orange. I think the ball still cannot.
Ball weight first. Ball
first,
weight.
yeah.
Inside still cold.
You can take the prawn already. The prawn.
Yeah, the prawn already. Taking
Prawn out.
the prawn. Okay, I got 2 sauces here. So try both.
Oh, you make 2 sauces.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a smart thing. I should make 2 sauces.
Why 2 sauces?
Want to put it?
Oh, yeah.
Oh my god. Okay, this one.
You okay?
Yeah. My mouth's on fire, but I'm good. Ooh, I love these quail eggs.
Woo! Spicy.
Yeah.
Oh my god, luckily I didn't put the Lucky I didn't put the chili.
Yeah.
First side chili.
Oh, it fell. Use the chopstick. It's fine. It's well coated now.
That's well and truly cooked.
Alright.
That's a black chicken.
Wow.
Yeah, that's the black chicken.
Black
or
chicken.
something. Yeah, something different.
You go pork.
Yeah, black chicken.
That should be the normal pork.
Yeah.
And these balls.
Yeah, the box is also like very unique one. This one is mushroom, or this one is this one is fish with the roll, right?
Oh, fish roll,
prawn
ball.
roll, right?
Wow.
Yeah. This one is
Pork ball.
something. Oh no, this one.
Just pop.
She likes
If I order, I will order things that which is a bit not normal, like unique something.
This is nice. What's it called?
When do they dance?
Squid ball with egg yolk or something like that.
Wow, that's nice. Squid ball with egg yolk.
Something different, that's why I thought. Something different, so I thought like ordering and try it.
You can see the yolk inside. Wow. So it's squeaky from SpongeBob. I love it squeaky. The outer layer is nice. Not, very nice. On the softer side, I wanted to say.
Yeah.
Yeah, the yolk.
That's amazing. Like salted egg, is it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a yolk egg prawn.
And what I like about it is actually not super salty.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah, the egg yolk.
It's creamy, but not super salty.
Oh wow, that's yum.
Super yum. Sauce together. Voila. Cheers.
YouTuber in action.
You want? Another piece?
Yeah.
Last,
Red better it is.
last,
Yeah,
last so that they
that's
can hold it tight. Oh, yeah. What?
Ew.
Yeah. Very nice. Another one.
You're the entertainment tonight. Today.
It's
Darren.
okay.
It's alright, right?
I don't mind. But it's true, I struggle with some chopsticks.
Oh my god.
He's got it on YouTube as well.
Oh yeah. This time I'm sure it's rolling.
I'm not saying anything that anti-aging.
You just did? You have a driving license, right? No? No?
No,
No more
I'm not saying
secrets.
nothing, I just
No
saw
more
the camera.
secrets.
Oh, you both didn't know?
No.
Didn't
No,
know?
I know.
Okay.
What's that?
Your driving license.
Since everybody cups is full, cheers.
Yes. Happy
Thank you,
birthday.
thank you, thank you, thank you.
Happy birthday.
Oh yeah, happy birthday. Yeah. Not
When
happy
she
New
went
Year.
to your
Happy
birthday, Richard?
Happy
April.
birthday.
When?
April.
Oh, it's coming.
Soon.
So you can kill 2 birds in one stone.
Yeah, and mine as well.
Yeah. Maybe also.
3 birds in one stone.
Yeah.
Woo!
Yeah. Oh, that's what you mean.
Get some silver hair on that.
Wow, that really crossed his face, man.
They slapped me.
Have you been slapped by a noodle?
First time for everything.
That was mighty close.
Text out your camera.
Now I know what it should be.
这个捞面你们要粗的还是要细的？
啊，粗嘅，
要開粗啊！
粗嘅。
咁樣得冇啊？
得，
啊，喺放邊度啊？呢個？
啊，一般得冇？
啊，一般一般。
Okay. That's super small. Look like this. I thought it's the one for
Yeah, that was cool.
只要個2分鐘到3分鐘就可以食。
Okay. 3 minutes.
No, you got off large.
You eat the noodle, you see one white hair, you know.
Hey, it'll be camouflage.
Oh man.
Thank you very much.
嗰時平台自得學溫。
You go to Haidilao quite often.
Thank you, Darren, for the wonderful brunch.
No problem. My pleasure. Happy 50th.
Happy birthday to
Happy birthday, sorry, April.
And this guy is April. Happy birthday.
Yeah, thanks for getting
How old? How old?
Very, very old.
Uh,
21.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, plus 40. No, not yet. Alright, so we're gonna go for coffee now and then we're gonna chill out. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe. And also his channel in the description below. Both of them. Bye.